So finally it's holiday season, so we have to make something delicious. So we are making carrot cake with a beautiful whipped cream frosting. So without wasting our time, let's move on. So we are gonna start by sieving dry ingredients. So 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon each of cinnamon powder and baking soda. Sieve them and set aside. Next, in a large mixing bowl, let's combine our wet ingredients. Half cup of milk and 1/4 cup of oil. To give this a beautiful fragrance, let's add our vanilla extract. Next, add some yellow food color. You can totally skip this. Now give this a nice mix. The last but not the least, add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture and make sure there are no lumps, so keep stirring. And guys, if you are watching our channel for the first time, make sure to subscribe, and if you are enjoying this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, so this is the perfect consistency which we need. Now add 1 cup of grated carrots. Mix well. 1.5 teaspoon of white vinegar. Mix again. Now pour this mixture in a cake tin which is greased with butter and dusted with flour. Bake for 35 to 45 minutes, so the first 10 minutes should be in medium flame, then lower the flame and bake again. So here's our carrot cake. Add whipping cream and sprinkle some sprinkles. Do try this out and post your feedback down below. So see you in my next video. Take care and thank you.